How to turn off notifications on Android phone. So if you want to stop distracting notifications on your device, or maybe just temporarily disable some of the apps, I'm going to show you 2 ways how you can do this. Let's get started. Firstly, we're going to open settings and go through the list till we can see notifications tab. Now just choose app notifications and you will see the list of all your apps. On the top, you can click all and choose different category to quicker reach the app you need, for example, most frequent. Or I can just leave the all and go for the list, find the app I need to disable notifications from. Let's say I don't want to receive notifications from the Telegram app. Firstly, I can tap on it itself. And here we can turn off to show content on lock screen, and also we can turn off sound and vibration. With this we will mute notifications, but we'll still be able to receive them. If you want to just turn off everything, click allow notifications and toggle off the switch. And just go through this list and disable each app just by toggling off the switch. And now the most fun way how we can turn off is go back in the notifications setting and click do not disturb. This mode mutes all calls, notifications and other alerts except for those you choose to allow. So here you can customize it. For example, you can set a schedule. Let's leave this one. I'm going to enable it just by toggle on the switch. You can also set for how long you want to enable it until I turn off. And most importantly, go in app notifications and make sure that you do not allow notifications here. Now, just go in calls and messages and do the same. Tap on hide notifications and here you can also enable everything else. And now I'm just gonna go back and enable do not disturb mode. With this way, I will not receive any of the notifications. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.